Got the new U-bolts in there. What's going on, guys? Alex here, Reject Rides. Today we're going to be working on this F150. We're going to be doing a block lift on the rear. So this is the kit. Got the new U-bolts. And the blocks. Got some hardware. Damn, this one got two hoes. I guess two hoes better than one hoe. Alright guys, so took the tires off. I put the jack stands under the axle, one on both sides, or one on each side, I mean, and put the jack back here on the ball. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna loosen up the shocks, and then I'm gonna take the U-bolts out. And then once I take the U-bolts out, I can raise the truck from the back where the ball's at. And the axle should stay in place. So let's get to work. Alright, so I went ahead and took the U-bolts off. The only piece we're going to use is the bottom piece. It goes under the rear end. But right now, I also unhooked the shocks from the bottom. So whenever we lift up on the jack, it won't push the rear end towards the back. So I already did that on both sides. These right here are the original U-bolts. And that one right there is the new one. So it's definitely quite a bit of a difference. So right now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and lift up the truck from the back. I'm gonna lift it up, and it should lift off. The lift spring should lift off the rear end. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the camera right there, and I'm gonna start lifting it up. All right, so I couldn't lift the truck from the back because the truck's the jack won't go up high enough. So what I did, I just put that 4x4 right there on the jack, right on the leaf spring, and it looks like it's not coming undone, but if you push down, you can fit it in there. So let me go up a little bit more, try to get a little bit more space so I can put the block in there. Alright. Alright, so the block's in there. Got the new U-bolts in there. All we gotta do right now is just tighten it up Well, we just got to snug it. Ain't gonna tighten it up yet until we put the tires back on and drop the truck back on the floor. And then once the weight's on there, we can tighten it up. So let me go ahead and kind of snug them, and then we'll jump around to the other side. Alright guys, so I put the tire back on, took the jack stands off, come down. So that's what it is. The blocks were 1.5 inches, so it lifted it up about 1.5 inches in the back. So, not bad. Once it stops raining, I'll take it out and get a little bit better view. What's going on, guys? Alright, so this is what she looked like. It's only 1.5 inches more on the back than, or the blocks were only 1.5 inches, so it's not a whole lot of a difference, but it definitely helps out with when you have a little bit of load. But that's what it is. Looks pretty good. Nice little stance on it. Alright guys, well, that's it for today. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.